Greetings. Now here we have Rav's breakfast porridge recipe made with water and not milk. Observe. Quaker oats. Oh, hang on. Undo the lid first, that'd help. So there we have the oats. And then walnuts. Stick a handful of them in, like so. Then we get the water from the tap. Make sure it's cold. We get our porridge and walnuts blend. And we put the water on like so. Spoon. Here we have water and porridge. Doesn't look as good as it should, you may be thinking. But watch this. This is when we add the magic ingredient of protein powder. Hold on. Comes. That's not much left, I better tip it all in. There we have the protein powder. Give it all a bit of a mix. Nice bit of slush. And then put it in the microwave for 2.5 minutes. I would normally put a bit more protein in that, but as you can see I've run out. Bastard! Once it's been nuked for about 1.5 minutes, you want to give it a quick stir. As you can see, thickening up a little bit. Back in for the final minute. And here we are counting down. Isn't it exciting? It's like New Year's Eve. Woo! Let's have a look. Oh yes. Look at that. Perfect. Perfect texture. Not too thick, not too sloppy. And if you're being a bit of a devil, you can add a bit of golden syrup. Something else that's nearly bloody ran out as well. And there we have it. Rav's Supreme Porridge Delight. Mmm.